Connect them. Super glue plus this. Make this all-purpose glue. Can even bend this metal plate. Do you believe it? This iron plate and this iron nail, I can connect them using this super glue. The all-purpose super glue. I didn't believe what they said either. But now I'm going to try it myself to see if it's really true. Using super glue to connect them. Super glue plus this. Baking soda. Yes, baking soda will make this all-purpose glue bond the iron plate and the iron nail more firmly. All right, let's give it a try now. First, we'll apply the super glue. And then just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on it. Not yet stable. We can try again to see how it goes, because it's not stable yet. Give it to a beginner, so it's a bit, clumsy. Hey, put in a little more. Then sprinkle some baking soda again. Okay. And add some super glue to hold them together. Just like that, put in the super glue, and then add the baking soda and replace it. All right, let's see how it goes first. Put a little bit of super glue in. Okay. I'll check on it later after 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm just checking how stable it is, and I'll put it on. Wow, it's really good. It can even bend this metal plate. Very nice, very good.